Kiki want smell. Smell it already. Make us see God, baby. Your name breed me, so nobody wants to see nothing. It's salty? Yeah. I buy it up at the mall. Then we have two kinds. Then we have the sweet one. I don't want the sweet one, I want the salty one. Rub on my up though. And you know, reply Brandon. I want Brandon again. Brandon. Boy, Brandon. I can't remember. I was on a live. Hey, someone wanna change DP. I suck. Remember someone, you know. You know. Someone wanna change DP. I suck. Remember no phone. Like Karen never in her life changed that DP from one blue something. I did on World Dog like World Dog chat too much. I don't want to get anybody. Let me share my opinion now after World Dog like I'm telling you. They must say the two of them wrong in some part and the two of them right in some part. One of the man who did it under the bottom, the man that talked to World Dog on live say him nah wash no woman jaws if she not sick. If she sick, she may wash it. I understand that, yeah. Him say woman not for put panty in a machine. Them for as them beard, them for wash them panty and pin it up in a one something in the bathroom. First thing first, a woman not supposed to pin her panty in a bathroom. So you see all of them. That is why God makes sun. Your panty must go sun. Your panty not fit in a bathroom pan the pin and that thing. And that will yeast infection. And not only machine get yeast infection. When a woman bathe and she wash her panty, your panty forget sun. You have to carry your panty and you have to put your panty by the crotches. You have to put your panty by the side. I'm sure. Like the panty. You see that panty look? You know, some people pin them panties so the girl them see crotches yeah, and then bend it over so and pin it so you know if you do that, you pin it by the side. You pin it by the side so because the clothespin dirty. You don't know what go touch pan it, what go blow pan it and them stuff there. Panty needs sun. My mother teach me that. I know everybody mother supposed to can't. All if they are foreign. They are foreign in the backyard. You know build a backyard then? Panty no fi hang in a bathroom. Bathroom don't have no sun. Bathroom is just a room temperature place. That just the wetness just dry up on it. You have to catch infection. And if you're not catch it yet, you're gonna catch yeast infection. You're not supposed to have your panty in the bathroom pan a rock. If you do have it pan the rock, you take the rock and you carry it outside. That is why it have a hook. It can't hook anywhere. You can hook in the bathroom, you can take it off and you can hook it. To me, you know what me do when me in my yard? You see the rocker is not for put panty alone pan, you know. The rocker thing with the clothespin can even put your rag pan it. And still me not put my rag pan it because I don't beard, my rag go pin out a line pan the hot sun. I wash my jaws go outside, go pin pan the hot sun. World Dog did I say him we washing woman jaws whether she sick or not kind of a bill a woman. A woman supposed to be a woman, you're not supposed to make a man a bill you. That's a fuckery. I talk about my opinion, you know. I talk about my opinion. Me I talk about the two of them what them say and we meeting. Me not pick no side. World dog say even washing woman panty, whether she sick or whether she sick not, because you have to bill a woman. Him say one part, him say this particular part, him tell exactly what him say. Him say me will wash my woman jaws whether she's sick or not, because you have to bill her. Just like how if you see a woman now wash her drawers, me I get up and wash it. When she says me get up and wash it, she a go end up start to wash fear jars plus my things them. I fuck with that you at a real dog. A woman supposed to be a woman. You can't live with a man. And you can't clean. If you can't cook, at least you can clean. If you can't clean, at least you can cook. If you can't cook and clean, at least you can wash. If you can't wash, at least you can cook and clean. You have to can do something. You can't do nothing. Me can cook like that, you know. I can wash and I can clean for sure. Me can wash. Me can clean. I'm a love clean. We will clean down the place. But no man not supposed to wash no woman jars and not talk about you have to bill woman and then they start wash jars. Fuck with that. I fuck with that. A woman supposed to say your jars them want wash. A woman supposed to say and you don't have to live with a man neither for wash him things them. If me have a man, I'm go over him yard. So I go over him yard, I'm see him in basket full. I wash the clothes them. All if I just suppose all the money me I go collect. Or I go collect one shoes. Or I just go collect something and just cut gone. I wash it for him. And if I take a taxi for go over there for collect something and I not nothing for do, I tell the taxi for go on and I will wash them and call the taxi for come back for me. You can't have a man. Can remember, you know, nobody not force you to do it, but I just saw the word set up. Just like how you know, say, every car you go in, you have to pay your fare. I understand, just like how you know, say, if you go on a bus, you pay your bills. You go on a taxi, you pay $250, you pay $150, you pay $160. Any amount, you boy you know, say, if you pay your fare, though. And the same thing with man. If you live with a man, you know, say, you have to wash him clothes. You know, so you have to clean because you're a woman. A man have to watch bathroom. I listen to everything when them talk over them life. You can't, your man live a house and you want your man wash the bathroom. That's not right. I don't know about Uno, but that's something me grew up with and that's something my mother teach me. And anything what my mother teach me, I stick to. I don't want a teacher out there to teach me. I don't want a doctor out there to tell me. I don't want a body panel life to tell me. My mother tell me and she me I work with. Because she born before me and she grew and she live with man and she left man and she do this. She know what is right from wrong. She tell me say, man no for wash bathroom. Woman for clean the bathroom every Sunday. Every Sunday you clean your bathroom. Every Sunday you change the sheet by your bed. Every Sunday you cop down the place. And you do your thing. Every day you sweep out your house. Every 2 days you can map out your house. I mean, say you sweep and you map today, tomorrow you have to sweep and map again. You don't have to map every day. You can see you sweep every day because it's a must, but you don't have to map every day unless you live in a one gutter. Your husband, that are your husband. Me I talk about me. Did you hear me say? Me I talk about me. I am talking about me. In my belief, I think that a lady should wash the bathroom. A man can wash plates. Him can clean the kitchen. Him can clean up the room too. Them can help around. But me personally, I will take the bathroom as a responsibility. Me talk about me. I don't have full opinion. I not run on the down. You realize I know me not say girl no, or boy no, or girl no, or girl you idiot. Because your opinion. When me like you now go like me like brown boy, where you like black boy, me not like black boy. You like black, me like white. You love sweet, me love salt. You love taxi man, me love bus man. You love IG, me love Facebook. I just so. My likes not gonna be your likes. So me I tell you about mine. So mama, if you want to take turn and not take turn, me I talk about me, when I still not get it, me I talk about me. Me want to wash the bathroom, me we wash the bathroom. That's why I found a girl. Me I got this son, you know. That's why I found a man left for no. Cause the man gone out, gone work. Alright, so you now work. And you cock up on your big pussy. Your mama talk to you, you know. Cause I don't want to get rough. Uno for blood clot go man. Well, my man not clean bathroom. Me will clean the bathroom for my man, and that's just fucking it. That's why no man left for no. Uno work good, decent working man. We go out there and work on him foot and work hard and come in for go uno dirty bumbo all money. Uno same pussy all I go look on the man and tell the man say, you for take turn and wash bathroom. You sit down for your blood clot, you now walk, you now go to school. You just sit down and the man at work and you gotta tell the man to take turn for wash. Which part turn you did that work? Me not talk about the one them when I work, you know. Me not talk about the girl them when I work too. Me talk about the one them when I work. The one them when I work and live free, them man left them and know them a struggle. Why? Me not talk about the woman them will work, you know. Forget about them because them work, so the two of them can take turn here. But me I talk about cause in this world, you have half of the world, the woman them now work, them sit down a yard and man work and give them money. And them take the man money and them gonna party. You know, see you have different type of people in the world. You have different type of people in the world. You have girls with famous on Instagram. You have, I'm telling you, different type of people who got party. You have artists. You have the dancer them. You have the Instagram, the social media famous people them. And you have the fashion people them. You have the artists them who got dance. You have the people them who are on Instagram and Facebook, social media who are famous who got party. You have the dancer them. You have fashion people. Then just got party for fashion. Now can't see them a party, then just always act right through. Them man a singer, them man a dancer, then a famous, but you just know them because you got a party and them just act straight through. And enough of them where you see a party will act straight through. Them not working. Ask them where them get money. Them man give them money. Where them do when them get the money from the man? Them take it and them buy the most expensive shoes. Because them first one come out the party come rock it. Alright? Them take it and them buy some expensive clothes. The real shit them the same thing we sell downtown for 3-5. Them spend out 10 grand on it for those got one party, you know. For those got one party and buy the dearest bag and the dearest phone and the dearest wig them and everything and got a party. And then you go back a year again, you sit down and depend on the man to give you some more money again, so you go back at the party. Which not saying you can't get a party, you know. Not saying you can't get a party. Which if you did save little of the money where you get and put it to something and still got a party, would that make sense? The money them where you get from your man, you know your man rich. Save up the money them and build a shop. Have a local supermarket. Actually when a man give me money like that, you know. Cause if me did have a mother want to get in them girl position, if you never man will give me money like them, you that see it use. You could have take it. You could have rent out a makeup shop if you can do makeup and you do your own makeup in there and you get the clients them. You rent a bar till you can probably all buy the bar. You build a little house. You build till it reach 1 story, 2 story, 3 story. You rent out the whole of it. You buy a car, you put on the road, run taxi. You can do so much things. So much things. You see who not get the money and them always sit down and think them things there. And who get the money, them not think what to do with it. Them just spend it so them buy phone. I don't grudge nobody, but that's true, me I tell you. And the reason I tell this is because I know somebody who do it. Can't get you on social media. I know somebody who do it, so I do something I tell you. I go school. Yeah. I go school. You know, I want to go do level 2 for makeup because I did do level 1 already. I go do level 2, but I do it at Jamaica. That's the thing. I know nobody go pre-me out of school and say, you know, Ivany, come on my school door or nobody go see me and come from school and come because you know my situation already. You see me? Enough things my dad do. My dad open up a bar and them something there. But me know nobody go say, you know, say Ivany bar me and work for a fair bar the rest. Okay? Your own friend them can switch bar you.